Okay, so in this video we're going to talk about a reference angle. So if you notice with the image here, and it cut off, sorry about that, the wording right here should be x axis. Okay, so a reference angle, if we notice here, this blue angle is our angle in standard position, and here's our angle of rotation. So the reference angle, which is identified by this shaded region, is the angle that's created from where the initial one stops and the nearest x-axis. Okay? And so I'll read the definition. So the positive acute angle formed by the terminal side of the angle and the closest part of the x-axis. So the closest part. We're always going to the x-axis. And I can't emphasize that enough. As many years as I've been teaching this, everybody wants to draw to the y-axis. It's always to the x-axis. Okay? The closest letter in the alphabet, because it comes before y, is x. So you want to go to the x. I don't know how else to explain it so you know. Go to the x-axis. Okay, so here is our reference angle. This piece right here is our reference angle. So I'm going to just draw a couple pictures. And so if I had this angle rotation, okay, so here is my angle. The reference angle would be this guy right here. And notice I went to the closest x-axis, okay? So I went from the point where the angle stopped to the closest x-axis. Okay, so we'll do a couple more quick pictures and then we'll just do some basic examples in future videos. So here's another example. Okay, here is my angle of rotation. Okay, here is my angle. So the reference angle would be this guy. Okay, from where the angle stops all the way to the positive x-axis. So we got our quadrants here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And so if I'm in the first or fourth quadrant, I'm always going to go to this x-axis. If I'm in the left side, I'm always going to go to the x-axis on the left. So right, right, left, left. A lot of different ways to try and remember it. Last but not least, if I am this angle, and here is my rotation, this is also my reference angle. Okay, so when I'm in the first quadrant, whatever my angle is, that's my reference angle. And there is an angle measurement, and we find out what it is, and we'll do that in some future videos. But that's the idea of a reference angle.